Today we're diving into 14 essential Android apps every ethical hacker and cybersecurity enthusiast should know. These tools can analyze networks, test vulnerabilities, and much more, so let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about Termux, a must-have app for anyone interested in Android hacking, cybersecurity, or simply exploring the power of Linux on a mobile device. Termux is more than just a terminal emulator. It's a full-fledged Linux environment that fits right in your pocket, transforming your Android phone into a portable hacking and development powerhouse. What makes Termux truly special is that it doesn't require root access. That means you can install and use it on almost any Android device without complicated setup or risking your phone's warranty. Once installed, you're greeted with a familiar Linux terminal interface, allowing you to execute commands, manage files, and automate tasks, just like you would on a desktop or server. Termux gives you access to a massive library of Linux packages. You can install programming languages like Python, Ruby, or Node.js, and run scripts directly from your phone. Need networking tools or security utilities? Termux has you covered. From Nmap to Metasploit, you can set up a mobile penetration testing lab in minutes, making it perfect for learning, experimenting, or even professional work on the go. Customization is another key feature. You can tweak Termux's appearance, install plugins, and configure your environment to suit your workflow. Whether you want to automate tasks, manage servers remotely, or run advanced security tools, Termux adapts to your needs, offering flexibility and power in a compact package. Termux is accessible to everyone, from complete beginners taking their first steps in Linux to seasoned professionals who need a reliable mobile toolkit. It's a game changer for mobile security, education, and productivity, enabling you to work, learn, and experiment wherever you are. And the best part? Termux is completely free to download and use. There are no hidden costs or subscriptions, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of their Android device. Next is zANTI, a mobile penetration testing toolkit by Zimperium. Map your network, identify devices, and simulate attacks to test your defenses, all from your Android. Perform man-in-the-middle attacks, scan for vulnerabilities, and test password strength with a user-friendly interface. zANTI provides detailed reports, making it great for both beginners and pros. If you're serious about network security, zANTI is a must-try. Meet Hackode, the Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers. In the world of cybersecurity, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. Hackode is designed specifically for those who want to test, analyze, and secure networks, all from the convenience of their Android device. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about ethical hacking, Hackode brings powerful features straight to your pocket. It bundles a wide range of tools for network scanning, allowing you to quickly identify devices, open ports, and potential vulnerabilities on any network you connect to. With just a few taps, you can perform essential reconnaissance tasks that would otherwise require a laptop and complex software. Hackode also offers advanced features like port sniffing, DNS lookup, and exploit analysis. These tools help you dig deeper into network traffic, resolve domain names, and even analyze potential exploits, all from your phone. It's like carrying a mini lab for cybersecurity in your hand. Hackode's intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners and useful for pros. The clean layout and organized menus mean you can find the tool you need without any hassle, making it perfect for quick assessments or in-depth investigations. Each tool comes with clear explanations and helpful guides, so you can learn as you go. Whether you're new to ethical hacking or brushing up on your skills, Hackode provides the knowledge you need right inside the app. It's a comprehensive toolkit that fits in your pocket, letting you carry a full suite of cybersecurity tools wherever you go. No need for bulky laptops or expensive software. Hackode brings it all to your mobile device. Add Hackode to your arsenal for on-the-go security assessments. Whether you're testing Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, performing a quick scan at work, or learning new skills at home, Hackode empowers you to stay one step ahead in the world of cybersecurity. No hacking toolkit is complete without Nmap. The Android version lets you discover hosts, scan ports, and identify services on any network. It's perfect for network inventory, auditing, and vulnerability detection. While not as full-featured as the desktop version, it's still incredibly powerful on mobile. Nmap is a must-have for any security enthusiast. Wi-Fi Kill gives you control over devices on your Wi-Fi network. Temporarily disable internet access for specific devices, handy for managing bandwidth at home. Only use Wi-Fi kill on networks you own and with permission. Misuse is unethical and potentially illegal. Use it responsibly to manage your network. cSploit is a powerful toolkit for advanced network security assessment. Perform network mapping, port scanning, vulnerability analysis, and exploit testing. It even supports man-in-the-middle attacks for traffic analysis. cSploit is ideal for security professionals and researchers. Only use it on networks you own or have permission to test. Unauthorized use is illegal. NetHunter is a full penetration testing platform for Android, developed by the Kali Linux team. It's a custom ROM loaded with powerful hacking tools. Think network scanning, packet sniffing, and password cracking. NetHunter supports wireless adapters for advanced wireless attacks. It's designed for advanced users and offers a true mobile hacking experience. If you want a portable Kali Linux, NetHunter is for you. DroidSheep intercepts unencrypted web sessions on public Wi-Fi, showing the risks of unsecured networks. It sniffs traffic and captures cookies, demonstrating how easy it is to hijack sessions. Use DroidSheep only for educational purposes and ethical hacking. Never use it to access accounts without permission. It's a powerful reminder to always use secure connections. AndroRAT stands for Android Remote Administration Tool. It allows remote monitoring and management of Android devices, useful for legitimate purposes like parental control or device management. However, it can also be misused for unauthorized access and spying. Using AndroRAT without consent is illegal and unethical. Always be cautious with remote administration tools. Only use them with proper authorization. Network Spoofer is a unique and playful app designed for those who love a good harmless prank and want to learn more about how networks work. With just your smartphone, you can alter the way websites appear on other people's computers connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Imagine sitting in a cafe or a classroom and, with a few taps, you can make your friend's favorite website look completely different, just for laughs. The app offers a variety of fun tricks. You can swap out images on a page, redirect links to unexpected destinations, or even replace entire blocks of text with your own messages. These features make Network Spoofer not just entertaining, but also a fantastic way to get hands-on experience with network manipulation and see how data travels across a local network. Watching someone's reaction as their favorite website suddenly changes before their eyes can be hilarious, but it's also a practical demonstration of how vulnerable networks can be to manipulation. It's a playful introduction to the world of cybersecurity, showing how traffic can be intercepted and altered in real time. However, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Network Spoofer is meant for educational purposes and harmless fun only. Never use it to cause harm, disrupt important work, or invade someone's privacy. Even the most innocent pranks can sometimes have unintended consequences. What seems funny to you might be confusing or upsetting to someone else. So always think before you act and consider how your actions might affect others. Respecting others' privacy and setting clear boundaries is crucial. Always ask for permission before involving others in your experiments, and make sure everyone is comfortable with what's happening. Ultimately, Network Spoofer is best used as a learning tool, a way to explore the basics of ethical hacking and network security in a safe, controlled environment. Use it to build your skills, not to cause trouble, and you'll gain valuable insights into the fascinating world of cybersecurity. APK Inspector is for those who want to reverse engineer Android apps, decompile APK files, view source code, and analyze app resources. It's invaluable for developers and security researchers. Use it to check app permissions or find vulnerabilities. Only reverse engineer apps you have permission to analyze. Respect legal and ethical boundaries. Fing is a network scanner that reveals every device on your Wi-Fi. See IPs, MAC addresses, vendors, and operating systems at a glance. Use Fing to spot unknown devices, troubleshoot issues, and check for vulnerabilities. It's a must-have for anyone managing a network. WPS Connect tests the security of Wi-Fi networks using WPS. WPS has known vulnerabilities, and this app checks if your network is at risk. Only use WPS Connect on networks you own or have permission to test. If your network is vulnerable, disable WPS and use a strong password. Stay proactive about your Wi-Fi security. USB Cleaver extracts data from computers. When you plug in a USB drive, it can collect browser cookies, saved passwords, Wi-Fi credentials, and more. Useful for penetration testers and forensic investigators, but highlights the need for physical security. Only use USB Cleaver with explicit permission. Unauthorized use is illegal and unethical. Always act responsibly with powerful tools. That's 14 powerful Android hacking apps every pro should know. Use these tools ethically and responsibly, never for harm. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.